Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will tell you my next medium duration and immediate short term target for these coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And if you are new, please subscribe my channel and please click on bell icon. And if you want to join my VIP Signal channel, in that case, contact me on my Telegram. Link is in this video's description. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets and why I think Bitcoin and Ethereum can hit these targets that I am going to show in this video. First of all, it is Bitcoin chart. It is Bitcoin token metrics page, and here you can see price of the Bitcoin drops to $44,931. It is current price of the Bitcoin, and 7.69% decreases in just 24 hours. Market cap of Bitcoin $841 billion. Circulating supply of Bitcoin is 18.7 million. Total supply of Bitcoin is 21 million. 24-hour trading volume of Bitcoin is $92 billion, which is very good. Binance ZG, and it is available on Coinbase and many other exchanges. And if you want to join Bitcoin on my with my affiliate link, which is Binance Exchange, it is available in this video's comment section or in this video's description. Let me please show you some statistics, and after that I am going to show you my price prediction and the chart of the Bitcoin. This is token metric chart of the Bitcoin, and here you can see after on 7th May 2021, just a few days ago, the indicator shows bullish sign, and now it is showing on bearish sign, and price dropped down to $44,000. It is correction time for the Bitcoin, and I will tell you my next target for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you. This is the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hour Gemini chart, and here you can see Bitcoin is currently at $45,000, which is strong buying zone for the Bitcoin. $45,000 to $47,000 is very strong buying. Is very strong buying zone for the Bitcoin, and last strong buy zone for the Bitcoin was is $42,000, and after hitting $42,000, Bitcoin price pullback. Let me please show you, and here you can see, and it is currently in this descending wedge. Once Bitcoin break this descending wedge towards upside, in that case the target will be this zone, which is $57,000, the starting point of this descending wedge. And this is very strong zone for the Bitcoin, $42,000. And once Bitcoin, if in any condition Bitcoin break the $42,000 strong support zone, in that case $37,500 is our last hope and last major support for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you something very interesting. The coming scenario that I think Bitcoin have to follow will be like this. Maybe it can go down to hit this zone again, $42,000 maybe. But if in any condition Bitcoin break this uptrend line towards upside, in that case 47,000 will be our first target, 50,000 will be our second target, and 52,000 will be our third target, and our last target will be $57,000. But for this we have to wait. Sorry for that. But for this we have to wait for this breakout. Once Bitcoin break this, maybe Bitcoin can again retest this zone. Maybe Bitcoin again retest this zone, $42,000 or $43,000, and after that price of the Bitcoin can move towards upside. But if in any case Bitcoin moves towards downside and break this zone, then our last hope is $38,000, $39,000 to $37,500. This is the major support zone for the Bitcoin, and after hitting this, that I think Bitcoin price have to move towards upside and have to move like this. This will be the target. I think Bitcoin maybe go down to $42,000 again, and after that maybe Bitcoin can hit 40,000, maybe $39,000. That is very realistic because it is in this descending wedge. Maybe it can go down to hit this zone again, and once Bitcoin hit $40,000 and 39,000, maybe $37,500, then in that case it have to move towards upside, and after that it have to move. I think it have to hit this zone, which is very. I think it can easily hit again. The bull run is not over yet, and price of the Bitcoin will stable after hitting, I think, $42,000 or maybe $40,000. These are two major support zones for the Bitcoin. You can say $39,000 and $42,000. If Bitcoin hold these support zones, in that case, Bitcoin have to move towards upside, and in that case, it have to hit my targets. My first target after hitting $42,000 or $40,000, my first target will be $45,000, my second target will be $50,000, and my third target will be $52,000, and my last target will be $57,000 to $58,000. I think it can hit easily. Let me please show you something very interesting. Bitcoin was in this ascending wedge, and after that Bitcoin break this and it hit my target, and now it is in this descending wedge. I think it have to hit this zone, and after that it have to move towards upside. It was in this descending wedge, and after that here you can see a major pullback, and Bitcoin again hit this zone. And these are the scenarios, these are the patterns that Bitcoin follow each and every time. We do not have to blame on others like Elon Musk and other. I think Bitcoin is following its pattern, and there is nothing wrong with Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to hit these targets. Let me please show you some indicators. Then after that, I have to show you a very important thing. EMA ribbon. Bitcoin break EMA ribbon is at $49,000, and it is far away from the EMA ribbon. And no EMA ribbon is like a resistance for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you the volume. There is a good volume in the Bitcoin chart. Let me please show you the volume of VPVR, and here you can see there is no clear resistance and support for no clear resistance for the Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin price can go down to hit $37,500. Here you can see there is not very strong support, and the volume towers of the VPVR are very small. And that is why I think it can hit this, because it is in this pattern, and this pattern is very bearish. And once it hit $37,500, maybe $39,000, in that case it have to move towards upside, and it have to break this uptrend line and have to hit my targets. Currently in VPVR there are no clear support zone. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI after hitting 43 point, it is now at 37, and which is not a good sign. Everything above 50 is bullish, and everything below 50 is bearish sign. And I think Bitcoin price can go down, and to be very realistic, we have to face this. Let me please show you the Ethereum chart, which is very interesting. But before this, I have to show you a very important thing. Here you can see it is clear head and shoulder pattern. If in any case Bitcoin lose this support zone, $42,000, or in that case, let me please show you the target. This is very bearish sign, very bearish sign. And to be very realistic, this is not going to happen, but we have to follow the pattern, because I am a pattern trader, and I always follow patterns. After hitting this zone 42,000, if Bitcoin break $42,000, maybe it can go down to hit $20,000, maybe $23,000. According to the pattern, it can hit $20,000, which is I think not going to happen. I think Bitcoin have to move towards upside. Let me please delete this because this is not realistic. This is a pattern I am just showing you, but I think Bitcoin have to hold this zone $42,000, $40,000 and $39,000, and last is $37,500. Let me please show you the Ethereum chart. Ethereum, after hitting $4,370, Ethereum now is in downtrend. Ethereum is currently at $3,444, and Ethereum hit $4,321, and after that it is in downtrend. Here is showing some support zone because of this trend line. This is ascending broadening wedge, and this is the downtrend line of the ascending broadening wedge. After hitting this zone, which is $3,070, Ethereum would pull back, and Ethereum is currently at $3,439. If in any case Ethereum break this towards downside, if Ethereum break this downtrend line towards downside, in that case it can go down to $1,900, maybe $2,000. To be very realistic, this can happen. But in this bull run, I do not think that this is going to happen because there is a good support zone which is at $2,960 and $2,660. These are very good support zone for the Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin have to pull back towards upside, and after that maybe we can see this kind of scenario. Maybe Ethereum, maybe Ethereum can hit this zone again, $3,200, and after that maybe it can hit again this zone. To be very realistic, this is not a good sign. If Ethereum break this towards downside, in that case, according to the pattern, maybe price can go down to $2,000. Let me please show you some indicators. EMA is at $3,659, which is very far away, and now it is turning as a resistance. Volume, let me please show you. There is a good volume in Ethereum chart. VPBR, there is a very, very strong zone. Very strong zone is at $2,000, is at $1,900. These are good towers, and I think these are best zone, best support zone. And once if Ethereum cross $1,400 towards downside, in that case there is no clear resistance and there is no clear support. There is no clear support, and maybe price can go down more further. But I think Ethereum have to move towards upside. Maybe it is the last time Ethereum hit $3,200, and after that it have to move towards upside and hit again $4,400, maybe $4,300. We have to wait for this. If in any case Ethereum break $3,200 and break this downtrend line, in that case maybe Ethereum can go down to hit this zone, which is $2,600 or maybe $2,960. These are two major support zones for the Ethereum, and once Ethereum hold this zone, in that case price of the Ethereum will go up. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI is at 41. If RSI cross 50, in that case Ethereum is ready for the uptrend, otherwise price of the Ethereum can go down. This is the technical analysis, and these are the price targets. Please support this channel, and please, if you are new, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please click on bell icon, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you want to join these coins on Binance Exchange, which is very good exchange, the link of the Binance Exchange in this video's comment section and in this video's description. Keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching.